Welcome once again to my channel, guys. Hey guys, today I am in Cape Coast, and today I'm going to show you my $15 a night hotel here in Cape Coast. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Today I didn't go the regular $45 and the $50 I go. Today I decided to come to a budget hotel for as low as $15. So join me, let's tour this hotel room. So now this is the bed. The hotel offers a double bed for $15. It's a double bed, and then there's a desk, writing desk as well. Over there, I've made the top a bit messy. I have my cap and my waist bag on it anyway. So this is how it looks. And then there's a seat here. There's a seat here that you can basically sit on and relax. I haven't sat on it since I came. And there are double windows at the other side, and then double windows at the other side as well. I'm gonna come to the windows later. You have your writing desk. You have an extra socket to charge it. And then there's an air condition. I mean, all inclusive in the $15. There's an air condition, and it works. Let me put it on for you to see. The air condition is really working. And then it comes with a remote control. So we have the remote controls over there. Each of the beds, the bed also comes with a double pillow. So there are two pillows here. Let me put the AC off. I didn't want to put it off. So two clean pillows that I didn't use. I hardly use pillows in hotels. And then there's a fantastic artwork here. Let me zoom on it. I think it's a piano or something. Just to keep you calm in the room. And then when you come back to the windows, you're gonna see curtains are clean, smelling good. The curtains are smelling very good. No scent in them, so that's a good plus to the hotel. And then you can see through the window. So there's a window, double window with burglar proof. Wow. So let me push it back. $15. That's great. And then you have a very nice light here, relaxing light. It's not too bright. I think it's a rechargeable bulb, so you basically would sleep in comfort. And now let's check the floor. Floor is so neat and clean, tiles well maintained. I tried to go under to see under the tables and the beds, and it's not that bad. So you can see it's not that bad at all. And then let's look at the refrigerator. So the refrigerator here, but it's not stocked. You need to order your own drinks to get it stocked. Yes, there's a refrigerator here. And I haven't even put it on as well since I came, but I think I have to put it on now. I have some water in it, so I'm gonna put it on. So that's the refrigerator. It's on and it's working. There's a functional refrigerator, and then there's a TV. So far I have zapped through about 50 channels, and then there's this also artwork here, and another one over there. So it's not so bad as you might think for $15. Ceiling in very good shape. I haven't seen any holes or cracks or anything on the ceiling so far. Ceiling is actually in good shape. And then you have to yourself a double door, wardrobe where you can keep. I did a budget travel, so you need to bear with me. The previous travel I did $45 and then $50 as well. So now we're gonna go to the washroom. So there's a road. The washroom is also en suite. The washroom is inside of the room, so it's not that bad hotel. So we're gonna enter the washroom. There's a mat here for you to step on, and then you have your tea roll. Have your tea roll. There's a dustbin, and the WC is neatly cleaned. Neatly cleaned WC. I haven't seen any. And if you look at the walls, the tiles are also well cleaned. The floor is also clean as well. And then you have to yourself a hand wash basin and then a mirror. There's also a towel hanger where you can hang your towel over there. So I don't use hotel towels, I use my own towel. And then there's also another window here for ventilation with curtain. And then let me go down. So there's a tap here. You can fetch your water. And then also there's a shower, hand shower. There's a water heater here as well. This is a functional water heater. It's working. So you can see it's a functional water heater that you can choose to bath either cold or hot water. And then they have a piece of soap here. Alright, so it's not a bad hotel. But the only thing is they should have divided this so that water doesn't flow from the side. But on all, it's all good. So this time around, I came on a budget travel. Let me put off the light. I try to also help the hotels also save money, because when lights are on, this pen I'm putting off the washroom light. So viewers, basically this is where I am lodging today. I think the name of the hotel is No Cans Hotel. I actually went through lots of the list of hotels, but then I wanted to today come on a budget travel. There are a lot of hotels in Cape Coast because of the tourism and the universities and the big schools here. There's also a holiday destination. There are a lot of big ones. If you want $50, $70, $100, you're going to get. But today, yours truly, I decided to come on a low budget. I decided to come on a low budget travel. So basically, I chose something. And then I also asked a friend, he said it's good. But he was laughing. And I didn't know why he was laughing, because I think there is a pylon passing in front of the hotel, right at the car park. There's this high pylons, but they're not as high as the ones you see when you go to other places. This is not the ones that passes through the bush. It's a power supply. High tension, but not that too high, because I asked about it, and the hotel authorities told me that they've done assessment. Authorities have actually checked to see whether there is any potential danger, but they said it doesn't have any potential consequence. So now we're going to step aside. I want to show you the corridor of the hotel. So we're going to go. So let me open. And there's extra security here too, so you can also lock in case someone is entering. So that's how the corridor looks like. It's an amazing place. So that's the porch. And there's a seat here, and then there's something to also put your drink on the table. So that's what you get for $15. But they should have put some doormats here. There's no doormats, so when you're coming in, it's a bit enough. Right, thank you very much, guys, for watching. rate the hotel, whether you like it from 1 to 5 stars. Let's get to know. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe.